Hello everyone, my name is Tomi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick tutorial on how I made the skirt of this dress. So sit back, relax, and I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you know when next I upload. Thank you so much. Okay, because I already made this dress before, I'm going to be showing you how I made the skirt on a paper using a paper board. First, I'm going to tape two pieces together so I have enough length for my illustration. Next, I measure the length of the skirt, which is 37 inches in this case, and I'm also going to be adding a tail to the back of the skirt, so I need more extra length as well. Now I'm going to be inserting the measurements I need, starting from the waist. Just to let you know that I am using the measurements that I need divided by 4. Okay, because when you cut this, you're going to be folding the fabric for both the front piece and the back piece. The top of the paper will be my waistline. Then at 8 inches, that's the hip line, and then the under hip at 14 inches, or depending on what your under hip is or where you want your flare to start. Then the main length of the skirt is 37 inches, like I mentioned before. And the waist circumference for this is 24.8, so now I'm using 6.2. And then the hip measurement is 34 inches. I'm using 8.5. And then for the under hip, I usually use the hip circumference minus 4 inches. So then I divide that number by 4. So I'm using 30 inches for the under hip, and then when I divide by 4, it will be 7.5 inches. You can customize the under hip as you desire, depending on how obvious you want the shape to be. Remember, I did not use an allowance for this because this is a pattern that I would like to use some other time. Okay, so as soon as I'm done inserting the measurements, I connect the measurements together to form the shape. So from the under hip, you want to connect to the skirt length in an A shape that pretty much forms the flare of the skirt. extend the life further down, but I don't need it, so I scratch it back out. Just ignore that, okay? So what I actually need is the tail length. For me, I'm using an extra 17 inches for the tail. You can make your tail for as long as you want. This tail length totally depends on your preference and the length you want, as I mentioned before. So now we extend the tail length at the mid part of the back piece. Remember, this pattern has no allowance. So now to make your skirt more flamboyant, you can increase the main length, like the main length of the skirt for both the front and back pieces, and then you can increase the length of the tail as well, depending on how obvious you want the shape to be and how long you want it to be. What I do next is to use the back part, the back piece of this, to cut the front piece minus the tail, and we're almost done. So I cut it up to where the flare starts, and then I spread it. Splash and spread, I think that's what it's called. And then I spread it, and that's how I'm going to be cutting it on my fabric. This is a very short tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comment down below what you would like to see next. Welcome to suggestions, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care and God bless. Bye. This is a very short tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comment down below what you would like to see next. Welcome to suggestions, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care and God bless. Bye.